Just received your new MSI Business and Productivity laptops? The new Prestige and Modern S Series in 2026 come with a brand new Action touchpad that's not only super large, but also feature multiple gestures to help speed you up. With corner taps or an edge swipe, you get instant access to shortcuts and adjustments. The feature has been turned off by out of the box to avoid being accidentally triggered. Here's how to set it up. Launch MSI Center S. Click Features, select Action Touchpad, then flip the master switch on top. Here you'll see a list of the basic functions. For example, you can swipe along the right edge to change brightness, swipe along top edge to rewind, or double tap the top corners to launch MSI Center S or the calculator. To get even more out of the trackpad, you can also assign additional commands for swiping in from the top, right, or left edges in the Customize tab. For example, I've set my left edge swipe to taking screenshots, so I don't have to reach for the Windows hotkeys. Of course, you would still be able to use the multi-finger gestures that come built in with Windows, such as scroll up or down, or minimize everything. Gestures aside, the new touchpad is also now much bigger in size that adds not only productivity but also aesthetics. Hope you enjoy this cool little trick, and we'll see you next time.